guys, welcome to another video with information technology. In today's video I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof from mining one Bitcoin. Here, as you can see, my mining certificate. Right now I have a mining Bitcoin hash rate of 500 GH per second. Let's just close this one. I have a total withdrawal 0.004. The balance I have right now is 0.0036628, and I want to withdraw this. So for that, let's click on the withdraw button. Now the account that I have provided to receive my Bitcoin earning is this one, and right now available Bitcoin is 0.003. To withdraw this, I will click on this radio button, and then as you can see in here it's 0.0030440, and once I do that I will click on request, and it will take me to this page here, payment in Bitcoin, and in account is this one, and this is how much I'm gonna get. So let's click on the confirm button now. So that's all good. Withdrawal request has been sent successfully. All right, so now if I come to my email address, I will have an email from admin@miningonebitcoin.com, and here as you can see, hello Zalhaq Maliki, you have requested this much of Bitcoin, and request IP is this one. In my Bitcoin wallet right now I have 9.75 pounds. Once my earning is added to my Bitcoin wallet, then I will show you how this amount increases. So let's wait for that, and once that amount is set in, then I will show you how much I have in total. So as you can see, this amount is right now pending. So let's stop this video now, and welcome again. So here as you can see, the pending withdrawal is now 0. That means the amount has been sent to my Bitcoin wallet. Let's go back to my blockchain wallet, and then I will show you if that amount has been added or not. And as you can see, the amount is now 14.87 pounds, and let's go and click on the receive tab and see how much I have received. So as you can see in here, it's 0.003044, which equals to 5.33 pounds. So that means it has been added to my account, and it means that this website really pays. This was the withdrawal proof that I just showed you from miningonebitcoin.com. If you have any question or any concern, please let me know in the comment box, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friends. Until next time, it's goodbye.